Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to make the waffle stitch pattern, which is a simple 2-row repeat, and we also need a foundation row for it. And I have separate tutorials for all of the different elements used in this stitch pattern, so check those out in the description if you want to know more details about how to make each stitch. But for the waffle stitch we start with a multiple of 3 plus 1 foundation double crochet stitches. And I will make a very small sample here, so we will have 10 stitches in the foundation row, so I can demonstrate how easy this is to make. And you can use any yarn with the suitable hook, and in this case I'm using a felting chunky wool with a 6mm hook. So that's the foundation. It should be a multiple of 3 plus 1, not counting the starting chain, which we'll consider part of the first stitch. We turn and we start the pattern repeat. The pattern repeat consists of 2 rows. The first row we start with a standing double crochet stitch, and then we repeat 2 front post double crochet stitches, and then 1 double crochet stitch. Two front post double crochet stitches, and 1 double crochet stitch. Then we turn, and we already have half of the pattern formed here. And then we make a standing front post double crochet stitch, so we yarn over using the tall loop that we pulled up, go behind the post of the double crochet stitch below, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then repeat 2 double crochet stitches, and then 1 front post double crochet stitch to the end of the row. So we have 1, 2 regular double crochet stitches, and then 1 front post double crochet stitch. And we end with a front post double crochet stitch around the last stitch here, and we turn, and now we repeat the first row from the repeat. We have a standing double crochet stitch, 2 front post double crochet stitches, a double crochet stitch, 2 front post double crochet stitches, double crochet stitch, and then 2 front post double crochet stitches, ending with a double crochet stitch, and then we turn again, and you can already see the cute waffle pattern. And we do the front post standing double crochet stitch, and then we repeat the 2 double crochet stitches, 1 front post double crochet stitch to the end of the row. Now I turn again and continue repeating these 2 rows until you are happy with the length of your project, and then make one more repeat of the first of these 2 rows to make the beginning and end symmetrical. So I have a standing double crochet stitch and then the repeat of 2 front post double crochet stitches and 1 double crochet stitch. And that's it. That's the very easy pattern for the waffle stitch. I hope you enjoyed this very cute little tutorial and that you will enjoy your project using this beautiful stitch pattern.